In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use AI to create digital products. Yes, with absolutely $0. Let's do this.
Cover me. Cover me cute now. I got the juice now. The radiance, the modesty, it's everything. Honestly, all the things that point to a woman of quality, the true essence of my beauty. That's why they follow me. They want to get a look like this. Yeah, probably. Cover me cute now.
Hello, everyone. My name is Idayat Sambo. I'm the owner and the creative designer behind Cover Me Cute. At Cover Me Cute, we help busy women save time and boost self confidence by designing show stopping, size inclusive, effortless, modest fashion. I'm also a business coach with over a decade of business experience. I'm a wife, I'm a mom, I'm a nurse, and I love absolutely everything I do. Today is part 4 of the series, How to Use AI for Your Business. And it started from the very beginning. If you haven't watched the number 1, 2, and 3, I'm going to link it above. And you could go ahead and go and watch it after you watch this video. But today, if you want to get the most benefit out of this video, make sure you watch it to the end because I'm going to be sharing that tip for people that watch it to the end. Okay, if you are new here, let me know by commenting newbie. If you're an OG, let me know by commenting OG. You've been here, you put on your notification. Girl, I see you. I love you for the sake of Allah and my selfish reasons. And if you haven't hit the subscription button, there's a button red below. Hit it. And also hit the share button and share this video out to people, to help startups, to help um, business owners that are stuck on their business. And even sometimes when you know information, it takes for somebody else to talk about it before it makes sense to you. So, how can you use AI to create digital products? And who can sell digital products? First and foremost, who can sell digital products? Everybody can sell digital products, even if you have a product based business, which is like candles or clothing or seasoning or electronics. You can still sell a digital product, and I'll tell you how in a minute. But how can you use AI to help you? It is super easy, you all. Like, life has become so easy with the help of artificial intelligence. If you go to Chat GPT or Gemini, that's both of the AIs that I'm referring to in this video. So when you hear me say AI, I'm talking, you can either use Chat GPT or Gemini. So I'm going to go back to the example that I used in my previous videos in this series of the wacky whack away your worries candle. And this candle company is fake, y'all. But this candle company was created to help health professionals ease their stress when they come back from a long day of working, right? So I created different 3 kind of scents, and they are all aromatherapeutic. So if I was to create a digital product around my candles that can go with my candles, the first thing I'll think about is um uh creating like a, what you call it, like a music list. So, and music looks different to everyone. And I'm talking not just about, because the way I dress, sometimes people assume, oh, it's just about, no. If I was going to help somebody else that wasn't a Muslim, I'll say, oh, create music that you know is very calming. Like, create a list, or create create a list. So when, or maybe even create like a shareable, what you call it, the one you create on YouTube, a shareable watch list of like different videos that they can watch and they can listen to as audio, or like a podcast where they can listen to. I could even create a podcast. I could also create a ASMR podcast where all they're going to hear is ASMR. So the moment they light up that candle, the next thing they're going to hear is my voice whispering. That will go, it will align well with the candle. Okay, as a business, or as a modest business, a fashion owner, if I was to create a digital product for Cover Me Cute, it will be around, and when we say digital products, it's not just ebooks. I would say it will be around how to pick the right hijab for the right season. I will create tons and tons of different hijab styles, hijab textures, different outfits that you can wear that can align with the business that I already have. However, I could do it even better. If I put all these ideas down in the draft on my computer, I'll then take it to ChatGPT and I'll say, hey, I have this product based business, which is candles. I want to make a complementary digital products that will go with it so people can, I can upsell people. Okay, you can get only the candle, but you can also get the digital download of my playlist. That's the word I was looking for. Of my, and even if you're Muslim, like I could give you a playlist of maybe dhikr. I could give you like a ASMR Quran reading ASMR with rain in behind. Like, just get creative. So I will put that in Chat GPT and I will let it give me more ideas on digital products that I could create. And I'll also tell it, plan it out for me. What should I do and how should I sell it? What is the best way to sell it, right? Regardless of what you have in your mind that is an idea for a digital product, and everybody has something they can sell. If you are a good organizer, you all you do is organize stuff in your house. You could create a digital product about how to better organize your house or your office space. If you're a good if you're a very good if you're a motivational speaker, like unpaid, you're the person, you're the go-to that everybody, the family members, the friend come to when they're feeling bad. That could be your business, y'all. If you're very good, if you have 12 kids and you're very good at taking care of kids, you could focus on teens that just had newborn babies and they have no idea. You could create a community around it. You could start selling digital products around it, making videos, making memberships, making ebooks. If you're a very good cook, you're not a chef, but you've cooked so much, you're actually better than a chef. You can have your own cookery book. Your cookery book could actually be visual. So when they buy it, you are going to be cooking it so they can cook it together, because a lot of people don't like to read anymore. But AI can help you plan everything out, because a lot of times we have ideas, but we don't know how to bring it to life. This is where AI comes in. You have that idea, you plug it in, and you tell it exactly what you want to do, and it's going to bring it out back to you well organized, step by step, everything you need to do every day to get you to your goal. And for the tip of the day, if you need help taking your business to the next level, you need a quick consultation. I'm now hosting a free 15-minute consultation for the US based clients alone. I'm sorry for everybody else, but right now it's only if you're in the US. You could get a free 15-minute consultation and you can tell me about your business. And I'll see if you're a good fit for my mentorship program, or if you want to join my Patreon, where we come together every month to help each other take their business to the next level and also to get business funding. I'm talking about free money you don't need to pay back. You can get every link in the chat below, but do not forget to share this video out to at least one person, a business owner or somebody that has a side hustle. And I can't wait to see you in part 5 of this video, because what AI can do is endless. But I have 10 solid things that AI can do to help you take your business to the next level. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.